Made in Jordan with Dead Sea minerals. Triple milled rejuvenating bar with Dead Sea salts shea butter. Natural, thoughtfully designed fragrances and textures. Unique combination of salts and over 20 minerals. Lasts weeks and weeks in the shower. Triple milled rejuvenating bar with Dead Sea salts and shea butter. One with nature soaps combine genuine Dead Sea minerals, thousands of years in the making, with a pure vegetable base and moisturizing shea butter to provide a truly luxurious cleansing experience. Our soothing bath bars relax muscles, stimulate circulation and restore the skin's natural pH. Best of all, they are 100% natural. Experience the Dead Sea difference. Designed thoughtfully, developed naturally, manufactured responsibly. No animal testing. Made in Jordan. Top reviews from the United States. The best soap in the world? Why yes. I love bar soaps. And I think this is the best brand of soap. It pretty much beats all other bars. Long-lasting large 7 ounces bar. Suds are soft and plenteous. Cleans great. Absolutely not harsh. Colors are great. I love the yellow, the pink. Lots of flavors available. I love the almond, the shea butter. A luxurious treat for your body and hair.